Hey everybody, Chef Julia here from the UCLA Teaching Kitchen, and I want to bring you this week's recipe of the week. We're making seared steak with a cherry, tomato, and corn salsa. If you don't eat beef, you can try this with chicken breast or your favorite kind of fish. The salsa is really versatile, so it's also really good on its own or on top of veggies. And if you have any questions about making any adjustments to this recipe, you can find me on our Instagram at UCLA Teaching Kitchen.